Good morning to all. This is Srinivas Jangiti. Right. Today our topic is, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. It's very important. Everybody remember this. Why? Because of it is in the 7th class, 8th class, 9th class. It is useful in 10th class also. In future some competitive exam also it is useful more. So that's why you will be observed. What is today our topic is laws of exponents. In this first you learn this. What is that is here? This 8 square, right? 8 square. In this, here, what is that is you observe here? 2 is called exponent. 2 is called exponent. 8 is called base. What is this? 8 square. Right. 8 square in 2. It is here 2, it is there, no? 2. Here, this 2 exponent. Here 8 is base. Right. What is now our actual topic is laws of exponents. Right. In the first law, what is that is in the first law? You should observe here x to the power of m into x to the power of n, right? X to the power of m into x to the power of n. Otherwise, x raised to the power of m into x raised to the power of n, or simply x to the power of m into x to the power of n. Simple. That is equals to x to the power of m plus n. X to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. Suppose an example. What is your example? 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5. Right? What is that is looking like an x to the power of m into x to the power of n. That like only there, no? Then what is your result is? Observe here. What is that is x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. So same way, what is that is the base? One base same only now. What is that is the base is here 2. Right. What is the next here? Addition. That is only now add. What is this 2 exponents here is given now? What is that is first one is a 4. Second one is a 5. So what is our result finally? 2 to the power of 4 plus 5. Result is what is here? 2 to the power of 9. So it's so simple now. When we will know this, x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. So simple this, right? And this is the first one, right? Is that clear, everybody? What is that is there? 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5 is equals to the power of 2 plus 4. What is here? To the power of 4 plus 5. Then we got what? 4 plus 5 is 9. Simple. And next law, the same way. So simple. You remember here. And second one. The first one is clear. Now second one. What is that is here? X to the power of m by x to the power of n. What is the second? X to the power of m by x to the power of n, right? X to the power of m by x to the power of n. So simple. We have what is that is first one is x to the power of m minus n. When it is possible, what is that is here? M is greater than n. Where m is greater than n. Then the time x to the power of m by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m minus n. In case sometimes m is equals to n, it's happened. Where is m is equals to n? Is automatically what is the answer is 1, right? And sometimes difference. What is that is m is less than n. So what you are getting? Simple is a reverse. When is the up one is a big, immediately what is that is gone? N is went to upside, right? And here now m only least. Why? M is less than n. That's what is the formula? 1 by x to the power of n minus m. So simple. What is the difference is here and here? You understood, I hope. So simple. So x to the power of m by x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m minus n when m is greater than n. Otherwise is equals to 1 when m and n are equal. And otherwise m is less than n, 1 by x to the power of n minus m. So simple now. Suppose you will be observe here 3 examples of this. What is here? Take like this. What is that is? 2 to the power of 4 by 2 cube. Right. What is here? M. N like you feel this. What is it is here? Big. So simply what is the formula? X to the power of m minus n only now. Then 2 to the power of 4 minus 3. So the result is 2 to the power of 1, or simply what is that is? 2. So simple now. When is m is greater than n. Suppose reverse. What happened is here. Or one example. What is the reason? Another one example. Suppose both are equals, m and n are equals. What happen is here 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 4. So what is the result is 1. Why? Because of so simple. Simple calculation. When that m and n are equal, then what is the result is 1. So simple, I think. And next, suppose is different to this. What? 2 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 5. What is this here? Yeah, correct. M is less than n. Is automatically m will come down. What happen is here 1 by 2 to the power of 5 minus 4. Then the result is 1 by 2 to the power of what is here? 1, right? That is equals to 1 by 2. Simple. Otherwise, if you want reverse, what is this? 2 to the power of minus 1. Simple. Easy. Right? The next, what is the next formula? Of in this, otherwise next law. We are clear. It is looking like these are three are different, but so simple. And next one law. What is it is x to the power of m whole to the power of n. Otherwise x to the power of m, right? Raised to the power of n, right? And here this is a important formula also. That one name it is also different. What is that is power of power. Early power, again power. Right now, power of power. So x to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to what is that is x to the power of m n. Otherwise m into n, right? Now here suppose 2 cube, right, whole to the power of 4. Suppose what happened here? Tell me. So simple. Is a base same only now 2, and here what happened here 3, right? M into n only now m into n, m into n. What is that is here 3 into 4. So result is what? 2 to the power of 3 4s are 12. So simple. Easy. That's why x to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m n. Clear. Next law. What is the next law? It's so simple. That's nothing here. Suppose what is that is x y whole to the power of m. What happens is here simple. X to the power of m into y to the power of m. X y whole to the power of m is equals to x to the power of m into y to the power of m. So example, suppose this, what is that is 2 into 3 whole square. Suppose what happen is here 2 square into 3 square. Why? Because of same only, no. Then what is that is 2 into 3. This is a no. What is that is here? Simple differences. So simple now. Nothing here. Just what is that is here? X, y whole to the power of m is equals to x to the power of m into y to the power of m. Right? The same way. What is that is here? 2 square into 3 square. If you want to simplify, what is that is here 2 square, which means what? 2 into 2, 4. Here 3 square, which means what? 3 3s are 9. Right? So what is that is 4 9s are 36. It is one way. Otherwise, what is this here? This is also. What is the way? Another way? 2 into 3 whole square, like that is what is that is here? 2 3s are 6 whole square. What is that is 6 whole square, which means 6 into 6, that is the 36 only now. So same result you got now. You understood this? So simple. X, y whole to the power of m is equals to x to the power of m into y to the power of m. Right? And next small difference is here. What is the difference of the next law? Here is you took the product. Now right. Next one is by. Right. X by y whole to the power of m is equals to x to the power of m by y to the power of m. Here. So simple. Suppose 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. What is that is here going on? 2 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So simple, I think. Anything hard? X by y whole to the power of m, that is equals to x to the power of m by y to the power of m. As the same way, already. Easy? Right, very good. And next one, what is that is next law of an exponent? So simple it is also. Suppose x to the power of minus n. X to the power of minus n. Then what is here? 1 by x to the power of n. How? Suppose 2 to the power of minus 4 or 2 raised to the power of minus 4. Then what is here? 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Simple. Easy now? Right, very good. Now, is it clear everyone? X to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. Suppose is a reverse. What is the reverse? What is the reverse? 1 by x to the power of minus n. So what is here going on? Simple, x to the power of n. How that is? Suppose 1 by 2 to the power of minus 8. So what is that is? Tell me. Yeah, very good. 2 to the power of 8. 1 by x to the power of minus n is equals to x to the power of n. So simple, I think. Very good. And next law. It's very easy. It's nothing. Any to the power of 0. Right. Then x to the power of 0. What is that is the value? Is a 1. As well as y to the power of 0. What is that is? 1. Or 100 to the power of 0 is equals to also 1. Or minus 1 whole to the power of 0. It is also 1. So any to the power of 0, what is that is the value? Is the 1. So x to the power of 0 is equals to also 1. Clear everyone? Very good. Next. What is the next? What is the next law? So simple. It is also, what is that is? Suppose nth root of x, right? Nth root of x is equals to, what is that is here? X to the power of 1 by n. Nth root of x is equals to 1 by x to the power of n. So simple. So suppose, what is here? Tell me. Suppose, what is that is? Cube root of 2, right? This is equals to, what is here? Tell me same way. Right. 2 to the power of 1 by 3. So simple. Is that clear, I think? Everybody? Very good. Suppose you're feeling, right? Square root of x. What is that is here? Square root of an x is equals to, what is that is here? X to the power of 1 by 2, right? And as well as square root of 3. Suppose, what is that is here? 3 to the power of 1 by 2. I think so simple. There is a loss of n exponents. Very easy. Right, super. It's very easy. Just you remember nothing here. X to the power of m into x to the power of n is equals to x to the power of m plus n. Right now. Then where is the into the time? By the time is the differences. And the next two laws also is here. Final two laws. What is that is? X to the power of m, right, is equals to x to the power of n. That employs, what is here? Bases once will be observed. What is the base is here? X. And that is in, right, here bases are equals. Then automatically exponents also equal. Then m is equals to n. When the bases are equals, then exponents also equal. Right. So suppose like this, you tell me what is that is here? 2 to the power of 4, right, is equals to, right, and 2 to the power of x. So what happen is here x value? Tell me. Bases, same there, right? Now bases are equal, then exponents also equals. Then automatically x is equals to what? 4. Sorry. What is that is here? 4. When the bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So simple, right? That's only x to the power of m is equals to x to the power of n. That implies m is equals to n. So when the bases are equal, then exponents also equal. And next law. What is here? X to the power of m is equals to y to the power of m. What observed here you? Tell me. Yeah, very good. Here bases are equals? No. But what is here? Yeah, very clever. Exponents are equal. Then when the exponents are equal, is automatically bases also equal. Right. Suppose what is here? Right. See here. 2 cube is equals to x cube. What is here? Exponents are equals, then that is, what is that is happen here? Bases are equals. Automatically what is here? X is equals to 2. When the exponents are equal, then the bases are equal. So simple, I think. Clear everyone? So simple. The final formula about this, what is here? Suppose x to the power of m into x to the power of n into x to the power of l. 3 there, right? X to the power of m into x to the power of n into x to the power of l is equals to what happened? Very good. Both x only now basis, x to the power of m plus n plus l. So simple now? Right. How it is that is, suppose 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 6. What happens is here? That is right. Sorry, here observe what is that is here? 5. After what is that is 6, right? So then 6. What is that is 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then that is equals to 2 to the power of 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is what is that is 15. Then 2 raised to the power of 15. Otherwise 2 to the power of 15. So simple this loss of an exponents. Very good. Thanks for watching.